So, how can I reach $1 million in my crypto portfolio, right? It's by trading options. And so basically, I have an option trade open at this moment, which is valued at $1,528, right? And so far, the return that's given me is negative 43.98%. In other words, I'm down $672 on this trade right now. And basically, I think when I had talked about selling American Airlines, I remember at a point it was here at 921 almost. And I was like at a point where I just wanted to sell out of American Airlines. But had I sold, it probably would have been a very bad idea, right? And so what made me, stick to keep on holding this trade, right? My expiration date is until next year of June 2025. So basically, I have enough time for American Airlines to basically rebound from where it's at right now. I believe possibly by the end of this year, or possibly in the next couple of months, right? I believe American Airlines can come back from where it's at right now to maybe all the way to 14 or 13. I feel like if American Airlines does reach $13 or $14, right? I feel like my trade could come out the red, right? So basically, this could turn around at any given moment. That is, if American Airlines does decide to go up eventually, right? And so, how did the stock market perform, right? Basically, the stock market, it was kind of shaky, to be honest. If you look at it on the 30-minute time chart, so you can see that you can see that SPY kind of was like going up and down, right? And then you can see like on this candle right here, on the 12 candle, right? You can see that it got rejected by the 9-day moving average. And then you can see the next candle, the 1230 candle, it tried breaking the 20-day moving average and it went down further, right? And basically, it found its foot around this area, the 557 level, right? And you can see that this candle right here, the 14 candle, it bounced off the 50-day moving average, and that's when like SPY, went into an uptrend, or I guess you could say it rallied from here. As you can see on the 1430 candle, right? The highest SPY was at the moment was 559.74, and then for the day it finished at 558.70, right? And basically, the stock market, the Magnificent Seven, right? They did all right, Microsoft, what is it? It's like from where it was at, or most stocks that, where they started at August 5th when the overall market had sort of crashed, right? There's a huge difference from when it crashed from 384 to where it's at right now, 424. Same with Amazon, 151, 178. Google, same thing, right? 154, now it's at 167. Apple, you can see like it's just been in an uptrend ever since it crashed in a way. So basically, all the way from 195 to 226, and then SPY. You can see SPY is just made the biggest comeback that you could ever imagine, right? All the way from 510 to 558, which is kind of crazy because it's almost approaching its all-time high of 565. And then you got Meta, all the way from 450 to 526, which is kind of impressive, and it's almost close to touching its high of 542. Then you got Tesla, you know, all the way from 182 to 221. So very impressive. And then you got Nvidia, right? I think that day the you know, the stocks that were getting hammered the most was chip stocks, right? And basically, you know, all the way from 90.69 all the way to where it's at right now, 127, which is very impressive, right? And so, are there any stocks on sale right now? I personally feel like not really, to be honest. If you use this website called finviz.com, right? So basically what you do is you basically go on this website called Finviz. You go on this website called finviz.com, right? You click where it says screener, right? You click on market cap and you select mega, right? And then you click on performance, right here. And then you click on performance year to date, and it's gonna show you all of the stocks from worst to best, right? And so basically what I've been doing is I've been doing like this like strategy in a way, but paper trading, right? The paper trading strategy is basically I've been using this website for almost like, I want to say like 6 months or 5 months, I think. And so basically it shows you the stocks from worst to best, right? And so basically, I would, you know, analyze and make a watch list based off the worst to best stocks, right? And so basically, I remember at a point, right? I remember at a point, I think AMD was in second place, right? And I do remember AMD was like when I had saw Finviz, right, recommending that AMD was the second worst performer, I remember AMD was around the 138 level, right? And then you can see it kind of made a comeback on the 31st of July, but then you can see that quickly, it didn't last long, right? And so then you can see, it took a hit when the market sort of crashed, right, on August 5th. Basically, most of the chip companies took a big hit on August 5th. And then you can see ever since then, it's just, AMD's just been on a rally to the upside. Today it kind of struggled. It tried breaking the 180-day moving average, but it got rejected by it. So we'll see what happens tomorrow, right? And so basically, you can see this, paper trade that I did on AMD, right? Using that website, right? I basically did a trade when AMD was around the 138 level, right? And so basically, I got into AMD when AMD was the second worst performer, right? And you can see the results that, it's kind of like, I don't know how to say it, like, it's kind of weird that this website kind of gives you that type of stuff for free, like it gives you like from, stocks from worst, to best, right? And so basically, if you guys ever want to use this website, it's called finviz.com. You can make a little watch list and basically, do your own analysis and whatnot, right? I'll probably make a video explaining a little bit further how I've been using this website to grow that paper trade account, right? But that'll be another time, right? But other than that, right, pretty much my investment of $1,528 has given me a negative return of 43%, and basically it's down $672 right now. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys did good trading or investing, right? And other than that, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, take care. And if you want to sign up with Webull, you can sign up with my Webull link in the description below or on Webull's website, or really any other brokerage. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, take care. Bye.